Hey, what's up you guys? I thought I would record a different video today since, I don't know, I kind of don't feel really creative lately.
Northside pulling shorty, yeah, that's where I stay. Heard you was a lame boy, get up on my.
So, I used to have 4 cars, and now I have 3 because I sold one. But I kind of realized that like fixing up cars, or at least my cars, little by little, because I'm like, I don't have money. But it's pretty fun to me, and I thought I'd like to share it with people, or at least, I don't know, just record videos to see how I did and stuff like that. I've done kind of a lot to my cars without recording it. I've installed the radios, backup cameras. I think I even did the the injectors in my. I have a little Bronco too. It's a 1986, but it's in the body shop right now, so I can't show it to you. I think I do have a video or a picture. I will put it on here if I can. But right now, I think I wanted to show you my F-150 that my dad gave to me about 4 months ago. And what I've done to that truck is I've put tires on it. I kind of took it to get window tinted, and I kind of wanted to show it to you. It's missing one window to get tinted because it was plastic, and I need to get the glass. But yeah, I think I put a new stereo on it, Bluetooth. It needed a clutch cylinder master, and I put it on myself. And I broke something in the little shifter, so I had to buy the little kit to fix the shifter, so I could find the shift correctly, because it's a stick shift. It's a 4.9 liter V6, straight line V6. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about this truck. And I also want to like save up some money to take it to the like body shop too, because I think it's a beautiful truck. And I'll show you the details right now. It needs a lot of work, but I mean, little by little, I'm fixing up my cars. Let me show it to you. So this is the truck I wanted to show you guys. It's an F-150, 1991. It's got a little toolbox right there. Oh, you can see that. Sorry for the mess. I'm in Mexico land. It's just nice. You can see it at the front end. I might just move it, but I didn't bring the keys. So, I'm gonna open this up. I have a mess. Sorry for the mess. Just wanted to show you the interior. I actually did these when I was about, I think I was about 15 or 16. So I didn't have any. And I thought it would be nice to make some out of wood. So I kind of did the wood myself, and I did that side too. As you can see, it needs a lot of work because it's all like ripped and stuff. And the dash is also like broken. It's a stick shift. I need to wash the interior. I have the glove box, but it doesn't have the little hook to like hook it up. And I don't know if you can see, these are all broken. So this kind of moves and jumps. I don't know if you can see, you know, how much it moves. I don't know if I could fix that with JB Weld, or I have to get a new like dash. Also, that's the stereo I got. It's Bluetooth. And right now I have the little fuse that's like out there. I need to clean it, sorry. That's out there. It kind of, the parking lights, or I don't know how they're called, like the stop lights and the kind of hazard lights are like staying on, so I have to take that off so it doesn't waste my battery. Yeah, so it's a stick shift. I want to buy the little boot too. I already saw it. But since I'm broke, I can't right now. And it needs like, it needs work with the steering as well. It has a little play with let me get through the other side. These are broken as well. If you could see, they're little cracks. But I think I do want to try and fix these with that. I don't know if it's plastic something. Hold on, let me go through the other side. You see, it's tinted. That window is plastic, so this couldn't get tinted. It's pretty nice. It needs a lot of like work. Like, needs a paint job. I got this one. I took it off because I was figuring out the wiper engine thing, and I need to like straighten out the. So this one's more cracked, if you could see. I don't know if that's gonna be able to get fixed. Hopefully, I'll try. I mean, I like to learn. I want to reupholster the seat, I think it's called. Maybe get new. It needs a new headliner, definitely. And this is my little project truck. Let me see if I can. I'm gonna record right there. So yeah, it's got, what is it, like 300? No, it's got like 236,519 miles. The gas gauge doesn't work for the front tank, but it works for the rear tank. So you can see it has two tanks. It's got the switcher. I got these off of Amazon, the little knobs. And I thought it was a light switch, and I changed it, but apparently the light switch is not it. I don't know why these are lights are like staying on. I don't know if, let me see if I could show you with it on. You see how that little light came on? That's how it stays. And if you see over here, sorry, this light is on, and also these lights are on. So if any of you have any idea of what it might be, please let me know. Let me take off that little switch. Was it this one? God, my nails are on. There you go. Okay. And it's missing this part, but I think I do have it. Hold on. Because it has a lot of parts that are back here. I want to install these lights. I need to clean that one. It definitely needs a lot of work. There's a glove box, stuff that I've put on it. I'm sorry. I also put new speakers on it when I first got it, because these sounded like crap. This thing broke. When I try to open the hood, this goes off. I don't know if you can see. And I need to get some floor mats, get it cleaned. This has a lot of play. So when I'm driving like on a little highway, kind of shifts that way and then this way, and I have to move the steering wheel a lot. So yeah, that's my little project for now. Well, I put the little, what is it called? Little stopper here, so it would shut nice and quick. I also want to get it painted, but I gotta fix all the engine stuff first. So yeah, that's kind of like my little truck that I wanted to show you, and start from there. Maybe do another video or two, maybe three. It's got I think it's a 2-inch lift right there. I just need to put some new shocks on it. We'll do soon. But right now we're working on the Bronco, and I'll give you an update of that in about 2 weeks, hopefully, if it's ready. Or I'll try to make a video if I can like see it without it getting, I don't know. So yeah, it's my proud little truck, and I love how it drives. But I mean, I got a 2016 Kia Soul, so I'd rather drive that in the freeway instead of this. even though if it was fixed and everything. Oh, also I needed to fix everything for the AC to work. I think I need about $600 to fix that, and I owe on plates, so that's nice. But hopefully I'll make a video soon if I'm fixing something else and start from there. Let me know if you want to see more videos of this, or if I don't have money, I'll probably just do like a little detail video where I'll wash the interior and the carpet, take it apart and stuff. If you want to see that, please let me know. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, and this is the beginning of our journey.